Hey Divas, just wanted to do an intro to advertise our 12 days of tutorial with Crafty with Ty and Craft Divas. For 12 straight days, we are going to be doing different tutorials, maybe between 1 to 3 tutorials a day. This is something that you do not want to miss. Make sure you like and subscribe to both channels, Craft Divas and Crafting with Ty and Friends, for 12 days. It started on the 1st, ends on the 12th. It's going to be cool, just all kind of things that we're going to be posted, things you've never seen before, things you may have wanted for your events. So do not miss this opportunity. Make sure you subscribe to both channels. Also, join our groups, Craft Divas and Crafting with Ty and Friends. We'll post our tutorials in the groups and on our YouTube channels. If you have any questions, definitely comment in the group or on our YouTube channels. Have a great day. Thank you guys for being so supportive. Hello and welcome to Craft Divas. So today we are going to be making this little crayon box. So it'll be your own little personalized crayon box that you can make for any event. You can customize it however you want. This one here, I just did it in red. Um, so yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, what you would need to do is the measurements for this is 2 3/4 by 3 1/4. So go ahead and cut your paper out to, again, 2 3/4 by 3 1/4. And it might be a little bit shaking because I have the camera actually on the table. I I have to seriously find a better way to do this. But this is gonna work for now. So let's continue to cut. And I'm gonna do it slow so it does not shake as much until I can get me a better system down. So on your 2 3/4 side, you want to score at. So let's go ahead and put that back at 2 3/4. We're gonna score at 1/4, and then 1 1/4, and then 2 1/2. And there we go. I think I'm missing one. Oh, 1 1/2 too. I'm sorry. So we scored at 1/4, 1 1/4, 1 1/2, 2 1/2, and 2 3/4. Then go ahead and turn it, and on your 3 1/4 side, you're going to score at. You're only going to do two, so you're going to score at 3, and then 3. Well, you just need to score at 3 because it ends at 3 1/4. So score at 3. Alright, so after we do that, we're going to do a little bit of trimming. So we're going to cut some pieces off that we don't need. So the first thing, I want to go and trim this little edge off here because you do not need that at all. So you're going to trim off the edge. And there you go. Okay. Then on these ones, we're just going to cut up to the line. So cut up to that line. So up to the 3 point. And that's all you're going to do from here. Now let's go ahead and um, where people say burnish or fold your skirt lines. Now another thing I like to do is take and cut a little diagonal on all these tabs at the bottom. So you can do it on all the tabs that you have here. Alright, now you want to take and you want to glue down the edge. So it's just going to form into a little box. So put some glue on this edge here. I like to put the glue on the edge that I cut the little tab off completely at. So let's go ahead and glue that down. Let's see what we get. And then once you glue that down, go ahead and fold it over. There you go. Glue it down, fold that over. And then you put your little tabs, tuck your tabs in. And then you can put glue on the bottom. Just a little bit. And glue that close. Alright, and then after we do that, we can go ahead and add our 3 little crayons to it. Let's see. It's a nice tight fit. It doesn't come out. It fits in it really nicely. And then if you want to, you already have the measurements for these. So you can take and these are 1 inch wide. So you can make something, a label that's 1 inch to put on the front and on the back. I mean, if you want to, you can put labels on the sides. The sides are a 1/4 inch. Or just leave the size how it is and just put a label on the front and the back. Or just leave it how it is, or you can decorate it in designer paper or anything like that. And that is basically all. So I thought this was really, really cute idea. Another thing you can do is you can make it a little shorter if you want, and then take and have a longer back. So quickly, let me grab a piece of paper just so I can show you what I'm talking about. So you can do like you can glue another piece on top of there and just have a longer back if you want to. You don't have to do it. That's just your preference if you want to. Since I did it, I'm gonna go mention it. I'm gonna go ahead and do it because I've seen it this way also. And add a longer back on there. And if I wanna cut it off right here or something like that, then I can do that and have it like that. Or you can, if you're me, I just took my time and sit there and I took a measuring tape and I measured out the crayons. So this is what I did to find these measurements. Like literally, I took and I measured the crayon. So I put three crayons together, and I said, "Hey, if I want these for a box, these are about 1 inch for three. If they're close together, they're 1 inch." And then I measured how long one crayon is. So from top to bottom, and then you have a whole scoreboard right here too. Put it on here, and I say about that's at the bottom. Okay, so technically it's about 3 and 5/8. So I know I needed a box to be either bigger or smaller depending on how I want my box. And I wanted my box to where it can stick out a little bit because my next tutorial um, is going to be something fun for these. So it's going to be relating to these items. So make sure you like and subscribe, and definitely subscribe so you can stay posted on what I have coming up this week. This week is our 12 days of tutorial. Myself, Craft Divas, and also Crafting with Ty and Friends. So hope to see you guys soon. Like I said, make sure you subscribe. You can find us on Facebook under Craft Divas. Ty's group is called Crafting, oh Lord. It's called Crafting with Ty and Friends. And we hope to see you guys. And definitely if you join the group, say hey, I saw you on YouTube. Bye you guys, have a great day. Bye.